Today I'm building a pencil planter. Perfect gift for a teacher. First I rip a board to 1 inch by 1.25 long. Next, I made 2 cuts about 3/8 from the edge to make the corner pieces. Cut the corner pieces to a touch over 6 inches. We can trim them later. Please like and subscribe. I'm close to my goal of 1,000 subs. My cuts weren't perfect, so a little clean up with the chisel. Cut the bottom for planter 3/4 inch thick, 3 inches by 3 inches. This is how the sides will look. Glue and nail the corners on. I really have to get a brad nailer. Here is how it looks with the corners on. Here are some cut-off strips left over from another project. 1 inch wide. Cut 20 of them 3 inches long. Glue and place side pieces in. I left glue dry a few minutes before doing other sides. Didn't take long. Trim 10 side pieces to fit. I took the cutout from the corner pieces and cut them at 6 inches. Going to use them to lock in the side pieces. Stuff a rag in to hold it all in place, while it dries for a couple minutes. Trim the top to make it even. (45° some slats for the top. Glue and nail on the top. Test for size and sand. Sand the bottom flat. More sanding. Don't want splinters. Dollar Tree flowers taped to pen caps.